Hey guys, I'm here in Nova Scotia, and long drive all the way from Ottawa to come here, but we came here to visit Troi. Hey guys, you usually see him on the video chat that we usually do. So we're gonna go play on his little home course that he's got here. So we're gonna try our trucks, and I brought Sebastien with me, of course, and he's got his Jeep, and we're gonna go try, take some pictures, and maybe do a little short video. But we'll have fun on the trail. See you later. Viens conduire mon camion, Sébastien. Mets ton contrôle à terre. Descends en bas, puis retourne, monte en haut.
Go up and over that. I got the light kit for this.
Oh yeah?
Put it on yet. I'm going to build my interior.
Ah ok, ils sont là-bas. Sebastien's good with those things. Fail. On his own track, and he fails. Here I come driving with my belly.
Is that how you're steering?
Yeah. Using my stomach to turn. Picture time.
Oh, look at that thing. That thing's a goat.
Go, 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 go. Make those tires work. Okay, come back, we'll do a slow motion shot.